and welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing our November Allure Beauty Box. As we know, they changed the price of the beauty box. It used to be $15 a month. They did start charging like $23 plus tax, so it's a little, after tax, it's a little under $25. And I gave it a try last month. I was not very happy, so I told you guys I would go ahead and do it one more month and see if it was worth the money, and give you guys my thoughts, my opinions, all of that stuff. So anyways guys, before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we play, we talk, and remember, it's just makeup, it's not that serious. So stick around, subscribe. There are 2 giveaways going on our channel, and I will leave them linked down below. One is over on Instagram where you have to be following me. One is over here on YouTube, and I will have that video listed and linked down below, and you need to be subscribed in order to enter. And let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so little information about this box. As you probably can tell, I am like not overly excited to be unboxing this because, like I said, I was so disappointed last month. They did change this box from $15 to like $23 plus tax, and you're supposed to get a lot of full-size products in here. It's just the issue that I had last month is I didn't really, one, feel like it was like full-size products, and two, the value just didn't seem to be there. So it says 6 or more products valued at $100 plus, previously 5 or more products valued at $70. So for the additional almost $10, not quite $10, you're supposed to get $30 additional worth of product in here. It says at least 3 full-size items. Previously it was only 2. So again, it's these things to take into consideration. Only expert approved products selected by Allure editors. It says you do get a new member gift if you do decide to sign up, which honestly I feel like we kind of should have been grandfathered into that if we were already paying for $15 box. Entice us to stay for that $23, you know what I mean? Always free shipping in the US and exclusive member only events and discounts. Alright, let's just go ahead and see. I have rambled long enough. Come on, Allure. Come through. This is what the box looks like. Now keep in mind, before, the boxes that we would get were like a 2 type of box, kind of like a gift box. So, and they were really hard and sturdy, and they were great to go ahead and gift or re-gift. So you do get a catalog in here, and it is the same type of dealio where it tells you the products in here, but it doesn't tell you what they do. It speaks on what the people feel like it did for them. So everybody who used this product, they're giving you a review on it, if that makes sense. And jumping right in, the first item is by Allure Welcome to Skin Wellness Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. I would guess this is not a full-size product, so this is what it looks like. Let me see about the price in here. Okay, so this is definitely not a full-size item. Full size would be $18.99 for 1 fluid ounce. And here we got 0.67 fluid ounces. So there are coupon codes as well. The next item I see in here, I would say, is a full-size product. This is by Medica Beauty. So this is what the box looks like. And it does, if you see up here, it does say step 3, Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. Now, I do like Medica Beauty products. AIA Beauty Bundle did a whole influencer box with Medica, and actually today I used her eyelash serum. It's like a conditioning type of serum. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. So like I said, this is a full-size product. Just warning you guys, yes, your girl's in her head. Even though this isn't like a super dark lipstick, it's just outside of my comfort zone. So every time I see myself, I'm like, I see your lips. not used to that. It's so cheesy. So this does have a retail value of $22. And like I said, it is a Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. Let's open it up. It smells really good. So, and it has like a doe foot type of applicator. I thought it would be like a squeezy tube, but okay. Next item in here is by Dermalect. This is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. This is 1 fluid ounce. Here's the box. I'm not mad about this, to be honest. I think we actually have seen this brand in other subscription boxes. So this is a full-size product. As far as the retail value of the product goes, this does have a $42 retail value. So again, I'm just gonna call it like it's literally $24 and I think 62 cents after I paid tax. So as far as that goes, just in these two products, I guess you could say I did make my money back. So it does say this is a potent yet gentle anti-aging serum combining 3 effective forms of amino acid. Overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull-looking skin. Focus on fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores. Great for age spots and uneven tone. Multitasking facial décolleté application. So the key ingredients are some glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and L-sorbic acid, which I do really like those acids. My skin plays very nicely with those, so I am actually pleased with that. Next, I see Neogen Dermatology. Am I saying that right? I don't know much about this brand, but this is a micro essence. So, and it's a decent amount. Like, it's enough in there to know that you're gonna know if you like it or not. So as far as a little information on this, I'm sorry guys, I can't read you, like I don't like to read you guys the reviews because I want to know about the item, you know what I mean? I don't want to know what it did for the person. Does that make sense? I don't know, but it does have a retail value full size of $38. My understanding when it comes to essence is it's almost like a powerhouse to let everything absorb a bit better, you know what I mean? So it does, I think, penetrate deeper than a toner does, if that makes sense. So, moving right along, the next item is Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub by Nature Lab Tokyo. I'm not mad about this, to be honest with you guys. I like hair, skin, makeup, and oh my gosh, this smells, why is it my first reaction is like, here guys, smell it. One of these days, your girl's gonna learn there is no such thing as smell-o-vision just yet. That smells really nice. It's like clean with a hint of maybe like a expensive perfume. I don't know, but I do like it. This does have a retail value of $16, and you can actually find this over at Ulta. And it looks like, oh, the coupon code is not for Ulta though. It's, I think, at their website. I think I'm still tired or something, guys, so bear with your girl. Okay, so the next item is by Josephine. Oh my gosh, maybe I just shouldn't allow myself to film on days that I'm like feeling off, which would be like every day. Anywho, this does have a retail value of $30. It's by Josephine. Stop yelling at me. I feel like you guys are yelling at me through your screen. Josephine, right? Okay, this is what it looks like. Ooh. If you're still with me, can you give your girl a like? Because obviously she's on the struggle bus today. It does have a retail value of $30. It's an Eye Dazzle liquid metallic eyeshadow. Obviously I've never heard of this brand before, so there's that. Oh, okay, so it's kind of a bulky package. I honestly thought it was going to be like some sort of lip stick or something, but let's see here. Why would you smell that, Rhonda? I don't know. Here is the shade. I'm not going to swatch it just because I have a lot of these kinds of things. So I will just go ahead and gift this to someone. By the way, don't forget, still 2 giveaways. We got 2 more products in here. One of which is a sheet mask, it looks like, which I'm not mad about. It's a biocellular sheet mask by Win, the Last Choice. And this one is by Skin Medica Instant Bright Eye Mask, which I love eye masks. So, you guys, your girl's shocked. I'm really shocked. I kind of went in with a really nasty negative type of attitude, and I am a little upset with myself because typically, like I always say, keep an open mind when you get a subscription, because you know, it's okay not to like everything that you receive in the box. Pay attention to, did you get your money's worth? And I am pleasantly surprised here, guys. I went in, like I said, with a negative attitude. I was really like upset over the October box. I felt like when it came down to your first larger box where you got us spending more money, you're promising us more things, they really dropped the ball, in my opinion, as far as the October box went. But I am pleasantly surprised with this November box. I definitely feel like they stepped it up a bit more. This was definitely more of a favorite box compared to last month's box. The things that I did receive in here are things that I could definitely use, and I'm going to definitely try out. I mean, only because I have so many of these types of items. That's the only reason why I won't be opening this up or swatching it for you guys. But at the end of the day, everything else is really nice and really good, and I definitely feel like for the month of November, I got my money's worth. So that has me pretty surprised. Let me know you guys' thoughts. Did they definitely step it up in your opinion from what we saw in October? What do you guys think? I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys would help your girl out, I'm gonna try and film probably 2 or 3 more videos. So hopefully by the end of all the filming, I will have my head a little bit more together and make a little bit more sense. But y'all, I know you don't come here for professionalism. We're just here to have a good old time, see what's in these subscription boxes, talk about some BoxyCharm quizzes, all of that. So anyways, guys, stick around, subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of our family over here. I upload Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time, and then on the weekends I upload at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I upload a lot of just random Rhonda rambles, majority time in my PJs, because I don't really leave the house, so it's a lot of rambling, unboxing, all of that. Also, make sure to check out HAILEY'S channel. She's been unboxing items over there on her channel, as well as doing makeup looks. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, because your girl has got the goal to get that 10K swipey uppy, and with y'all's help, we are getting so much closer every single day, which has me so excited. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye, guys.